welcome back to the channel. So today we have we're like 80% moved into our RV. If you saw the last video, we've pretty much been talking about us selling our house. We got so much going on right now. My wife, you can see right there, she's a trooper. She didn't want to be on camera today because she didn't have all her cheaty stuff on. So we'll kind of, look at it. Doesn't she look good? I mean, you have to give it to her. I mean, no, that's no makeup right there.
I knew it.
And this little thing here, she wants to follow me around. Hey, do not poke me with that pink stick. Say what's up, dude.
What's up?
What's up? So, as you see, my wife has done a good job. I added these lights too, and she's pretty much organized everything. And she's put things up. Everything looks good. Oh, all your coffee pots go up here. All your coffee cups, huh? Look at you, huh? Look at you. And I added some more lights down here. Things get really dark. I don't know why the manufacturer did not put LED lights in these dark cabinets, but so far so good. I'm going to show you guys a few things. We have some heaters running. Let me show you the heater up here real quickly. So we have a heater that came with the RV down here. You can feel the heat. It's about right. Actually, this might be on low. Oh, you have it on high? Maybe it is on high.
I didn't organize anything either. I just put things away.
Oh, you didn't organize? Okay, I'm sorry. My wife did not organize, so. Cut, take two. But let me just show you guys where the kids are sleeping at. Because it's so cold, we have them up here until we get the mid bunk taken care of. I mean, we'll probably put Owen in the mid bunk by himself. I put this little poof thing up here to help with, any kind of drafts because it gets kind of cold in here. It's been like 19 degrees at night. I have my tank heaters on for below, and I actually am using the freshwater tank. I'm not hooked up to water. I'll do this in a separate video, but I wanted to show you. So we're using our water pump, electric water heater, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff we got to go over. But I have another heater down here. Let me just show you guys the temperatures inside of here too. So for the front of the RV, we're at 68 degrees, and for the rear, excuse me, we're at 66. And so the furnace has not kicked on. It's probably like 34 degrees outside. I bought this little contraption to kind of give us an idea. So this is the inside. I don't know if you can read that. It says inside. Now this one is in the basement area. I have like a little sensor down there. And then this one's outside. So it's not that cold actually tonight. Hence why the furnace isn't coming on.
Hi everyone, the kids are finally down, so we wanted to share a little bit of our story about why we're doing what we're doing.
Yeah, so a few of you guys had questions about why we're doing this now, especially in wintertime, and the goal was for 2020 was to buy a house with some land that we can park our RV on it. I can continue these videos for you guys, and the house we were looking at, unfortunately, the price went up a little bit, and we decided it wasn't the right time for us to buy, and we moved on. Now, in the meantime, we had a house for sale. It sold, and as opposed to backing out of that deal, we decided to continue on with the process. Our main goal was to move into the RV and to show you guys what it was like to live inside of the RV in the wintertime. I thought it would be good footage for you guys, and a lot of people skirt their RVs and do a lot of things to prepare it. I wasn't gonna do any of that. I was gonna rough it and just see how well these manufacturers
We were gonna rough it.
Yes, we were. We were gonna rough it, and unfortunately, like, so now we're here, and I wish we were roughing it. I'm just kidding.
But like Justin said, it was just a short-term solution in between selling our home and then buying land and building on it. But since that deal fell through, we decided to just continuously live in it, but we don't really have a time frame of what that looks like.
Yes, and really the main goal for this channel was for us to one day potentially go on the road full time. I mean, we homeschool our kids. We kind of prepared a few things for ourselves if we ever decide we can do it, but my work is keeping me here, and then I don't work for a company that's more mobile. I have to go to dealerships and things like that. But the good news is, we're going to be doing this, and you want to tell them what we're going to be doing in the meantime as we're staying here?
So since this is more than just a few months as we know it, we want to make it more homey, and so we will be renovating it. So stay tuned. We'll definitely post footage of that. We are not home improvement people or DIYers by any means. This will be a pretty big first for us. I'm sure we'll have a lot of those, and we'll let you guys in on the journey.
We about to tear this trailer up. but yeah, like we're gonna paint it all white so it look like heaven. And we're gonna put new blinds in. We're probably gonna get a new table. Actually, I'm looking at no table right now. I can show it to you. We already got rid of it. Potentially going to be selling it to somebody.
I also want to get rid of a few couches.
We're not doing that. We're gonna. That's like. We'll see. I don't go too far, but.
And I want to do a bathroom renovation. So guys, encourage Justin. Tear out a few cabinets. We're not tearing down walls. I want a new vanity.
Keep in mind, I am not on any level a contractor or I don't have any skill in that stuff. So this should be pretty fun. I mean, I might have to call someone, but I'm gonna start some of the projects and we'll see how it goes. And yeah, if we mess up the trailer, this will be good for you guys. Good footage, right? But again, thank you guys so much for watching the video, but we gotta get back to it. Unfortunately, our furnace has been having issues and I gotta fix it. Peace.